there, cartoon fans. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to click the bell to turn on notifications so that you can be notified when the next video comes out. Join me for more epic adventures and awesome videos. And let's keep the fun going.
Cut. The picture is not supposed to be blue. It's supposed to be in normal colors. Let's try again. Take 2. Cut. The picture is not supposed to be red. It's supposed to be in normal colors for the second time. Let's try again. Take 3. Cut. The picture is not supposed to be green. It's supposed to be in normal colors for the third time. Let's try again. Take 4. Cut. The picture is not supposed to be light green. It's supposed to be in normal colors for the fourth time. Let's try again. Take 5. Cut. The picture is not supposed to be aqua. It's supposed to be in normal colors for the fifth time. Let's try again. Take 6. Cut. The picture is not supposed to be in fire form. It's supposed to be in normal colors for the sixth time. Let's try again. Take 7. Cut. The picture is not supposed to be in 1950s form. It's supposed to be in normal colors for the seventh time. Let's try again. Take 8. Cut. The picture is not supposed to be upside down. It's supposed to be right side up. Let's try again. Take 9. Rainbows. Cut. Dot. Why did you puke a rainbow?
Because whenever I saw these eggs hatching birds, I felt so surprised that I puked a rainbow.
Oh, these birds that hatched from the eggs must be surprising, right? Alright, let's try again. Take 10. Cut. The eggs are not supposed to be hatching hamburgers. They are supposed to be hatching birds. Let's try again. Take 11. Cut. Although the G major effect is nice, this ident is still not supposed to be in G major. Let's try again. Take 12. Cut. H from alphabet lore. What are you doing here?
Oh, I am here to get an invitation to join PBS because it is good day.
Well, I have an invitation for you. Here you go. Have fun at A's birthday party.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyways, let's try again. Take 14.
PBS Kids.
Cut. This is not Subway. This is PBS Kids. Although I have to admit, I am hungry for a footlong, but we gotta get back to work. We will have a Subway snack after these bloopers. Let's try again. Take 14. Cut. The pitch is not supposed to be high. It's supposed to be normal. Let's try again. Take 15. Cut. This ident is not supposed to be in Luigi group. It's supposed to be normal. Let's try again. Take 16. Cut. The pitch is not supposed to be low. It's supposed to be normal for the second time. Let's try again. Take 17. Cut. This ident is not supposed to be in confusion. It's supposed to be normal for the second time. Let's try again. Take 18. Cut. This ident is not supposed to be an opposite Luigi group. It's supposed to be normal for the third time. Let's try again. Second to last take or take 19. Cut. The volume is not supposed to be too loud. It's supposed to be in a normal volume. Alright, this is our final take. If you get this ident wrong one last time, we are canceling this ident. Got it? Okay, let's try once more. Take 20.
PBS Kids.
Perfect. Nice job. This will now go with the station IDs except for those you messed up. Let's have a Subway snack. Alright, see you next Bloopers episode.
Thanks for watching this video, everyone.